This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so nothing blocks execution. Open VS Code, then confirm Python 3. X is on your path by running Python version. Once done, install the official Python extension and use Ctrl+Shift+P to select the interpreter for your workspace. This ensures the right environment runs your code. Next, open a project folder, create main, py and add print hello. You're set to run. Move to execution and configuration steps. Now execute and configure how output appears. Use Run Python file in terminal for quick output in the integrated terminal, or press F5 to start a debug session which gives richer info and breakpoints. If you need arguments or a specific working directory, create or edit. vscode/launch. JSON and set args, CWD, and console, integrated terminal or external terminal. Make choices based on whether you require stdin. The integrated terminal handles input, while the debug console does not. Finish by validating results and knowing a key troubleshooting path. Run the script and confirm printed output appears in the chosen console. If nothing shows, make sure the interpreter and virtual environment are correct, and that path points to your Python. Also check the Problems panel and terminal for syntax or runtime errors. If behavior is inconsistent after changing settings or extensions, reload the window or restart VS Code. That often resolves lingering environment or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.